Good day, guys. So it's around the 25th of September today, and it's my sister's birthday. So I just greeted her happy birthday. And how you going? How's everyone there? I hope everyone is good there. Yeah, I'm still here at home. Laura's at work, and I'm still in a blackout. I haven't done anything yet, but I've just updated my Bisaya vlog, Bisaya by vlog, and put out some videos. And I have a lot of throwback videos. I just uploaded a video today, and it was nonsense. It was shit. I just still uploaded it. I don't care. No, nobody's here to tell me what to do. It's my channel, unless if it's a job that I have to do it and I have to do it right. But the thing is, it's my channel, and I'll do whatever need to do. Yep. As for today, I'm just still struggling just to do work. I've done a lot of procrastination. What you call this? I, I did a lot of procrastination tricks, like did this, did that. I even set myself to work 5 hours and haven't started yet. It's around 5 o'clock, 4:45. So it's nearly 5 o'clock, and I'm shit gonna piss myself out. But yeah, we need to work. We need to do something. I need to watch a lot of videos for education. But other than that, you guys take care. I'm not gonna make a long video today. It's no sense of putting it up that long. I'm saying the same thing over and over, and I'm getting tired. Also, I'm looking at the news right now with regards to COVID cases, and we have around 874, was it 800 stuff 800 something as cases. I'm really tired. I'm really exhausted, and these fuckwits just still go on protesting. That's what they want. And then the thing is, they can't just stay at home. I know everyone's tired. Like I'm a photographer. I do videos and I do photos, and yeah, both. But I don't have a job. My jobs were canceled. I have a lot of couples who are getting married who are getting stressed out. And yeah, we have no choice. We have to do it. But you guys, you can just stay at home and try to get the cases down. And you're out there protesting. You just heard somebody from the protest was sick already with COVID, and it's gonna hit every one of you. And you fucking assholes just complain because you don't want to be vaccinated. You want to work and not get vaccinated. And the fuck, you're gonna get the COVID and you're gonna die. And I don't know. You're fucked up, guys. Stop complaining. Just be a team player. If you don't want the jab, then just try to talk. Try to bring it up in another way, not protesting. Because protesting is good sometimes, but most of the times protesting is dumb. Like there are ways to protest, and what you're doing is not. It's stupid. Ah, political. I should calm myself down, but yeah, I can see a lot of fuckwits out there just trying to go protest, fight, fight, fight. But yeah, you do drugs, you take whatever drug you put in your body. You drink energy drinks, and that's fucking up with your body. I think that's the vaccine's more helpful than that energy drink that you're drinking right now. So fuck you. Okay, I've reached 3 minutes 26. Need to go now. Bye. Fuck you. Not the viewers. Just those fuckwits. I'm talking about them. Sorry.